Here I have ASUS ROG Phone 6D, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do it, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the battery section, then you should go to the schedule power saving and set up time period here, like setup. Firstly you have to enable this feature, and here you can set up like any time period, but if you want to just like use power saving mode without like any schedule, you just enable it when you want and disable it when you want. You have to set up the same time on the start and on the end. So for example you set 12 and end time you set 12 too. And now every time you just enable this schedule, power saving mode enables too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.